Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain why Rome is called the Eternal City. We'll explore the origins of this famous moniker and its deep historical roots. From its ancient foundations to its lasting impact, Rome has captivated imaginations for centuries. This special name truly captures the city's incredible resilience and its profound cultural contributions. Join me as we uncover the fascinating story behind this timeless designation. The concept of Rome as the Eternal City dates back to ancient times, specifically to the Roman poet Tibullus. He used the Latin phrase urbs aeterna in the 1st century BCE, expressing the belief that Rome would never fall. This idea was deeply embedded in Roman culture, supported by powerful myths and the vast reach of its empire. It was a declaration of Rome's enduring strength and its destined place in history. Rome's legacy extends far beyond its ancient borders, influencing countless aspects of modern life. Its architectural innovations, like the Pantheon, continue to inspire awe and engineering. Roman law forms the basis of many legal systems today, and its political ideas shape democratic thought. Even after the empire's decline, Rome maintained its status as a spiritual and cultural hub, demonstrating its truly eternal nature. Today, Rome continues to live up to its Eternal City title, attracting millions of visitors each year. It's a place where ancient ruins stand alongside bustling modern life, a testament to its continuous evolution and enduring appeal. The city beautifully balances its rich past with a dynamic present, always offering something new to discover while honoring its profound history. Before you go, remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.